As we turn the page to a new month, Americans continue to struggle emotionally, financially, and with just trying to plan ahead. In most cases, there are few clear answers to our many questions. We will continue to seek them for you. Our coverage begins today with CBS News national correspondent Mark Strassmann in Atlanta.
In America's COVID siege, exasperation can morph into rage. Weekend protesters were furious. They argued our oxygen-starved economy needs a ventilator, reopen for business. With 30 million jobs lost, millions of people are running low on something: food, toilet paper, patience, and especially money. You'll probably notice more stores reopening this week. 38 states have already eased restrictions. 6 more will follow suit tomorrow and Tuesday, all emphasizing social distancing.
If we hear minimal reports of knucklehead behavior at our parks and we see the metrics we need to meet, then we know that you all have taken to heart your responsibility.
Another concern, food shortages. Across the country, widespread COVID infections have closed 22 meat and poultry processing plants. The virus has killed at least 20 workers, and at least 279 have been infected in Maryland.
Any disruption or interruption to processing at our poultry processing plants could lead to significant national supply chain issues.
Most health experts worry about a shortage of COVID testing. As April ended, the U.S. had conducted 6.2 million COVID tests. But a Harvard study concluded the country needs 5 million tests a day by early June to reopen safely. And Maryland and Colorado plan to hide their PPE from the federal government.
A global free-for-all. We're just worried about them cutting them off at the manufacturer, during the supply chain or during customs.
But there's no hiding a looming financial crisis for dozens of states. Record job losses have drained their unemployment trust funds. Massachusetts, New York, Ohio, and West Virginia all have enough to pay 1 more week's worth of benefits. 4 other states have 2 weeks. And more than 40% of Americans live in states with less than 6 weeks. Several dozen malls around the country will reopen tomorrow. Here in Atlanta, Phipps Plaza behind me is one of them. Georgia has led the charge nationally to reopen, but on Friday, new COVID infections jumped again. The state reported 1,000 new cases in 24 hours. Margaret?
Thanks.